We have studied in mathematics, subject mathematics in matrices in paper second. A matrix of order m cross m is a square arrangement of m square elements. In standard 11th, we have studied the types of matrices and algebra of matrices. Hence, to learn the use of matrices with the help of elementary transformation and the inverse of a matrix. Point first, elementary transformation. Let us first understand the meaning and applications of elementary transformation. The elementary transformation of a matrix are the 6 operations, 3 of which are due to row and 3 are due to column. First point, interchange the any two rows and any two columns. If we interchange the ith row and jth row, this transformation is symbolically denoted by Ri interchange Rj or Rij. The similar transformation can be due to two columns, say Ci interchange Cj or Cij. For example, if A matrix A is equal to matrix first row 1 2, second row 3 4, then R1 interchange R2 gives the new matrix first row element 3 4 and second row element 1 2. Similarly, C1 interchange C2 gives the new matrix first row element 2 1, second row element 4 3. This new matrix A equivalent to matrix first row 3 4 and second row 1 2 and A equivalent to matrix first row 2 1 and second row 4 3. This sign is called equivalent to. Second point, multiplication of elements of any row or column by a non-zero scalar. K is a non-zero scalar, and if K is a non-zero scalar and the row Ri is to be multiplied by constant K, then we multiply every element of Ri, and symbolically the transformation is denoted by Kri, or Ri implies Kri. Similarly, column transformation is denoted by KCi, or Ci implies KCi. For example, if A is equal to matrix first row element of first row 0 2 and element of second row 3 4, then R2 implies 4R2 gives A equivalent to matrix first element of first row 0 2 and element of second row multiplied by 4 12 and 16. Similarly, apply C2 implies minus 3 C2 gives A equivalent to matrix first column 0 3, second column multiplied by minus 3 means elements are second column minus 6 minus 12. Third point, adding the scalar multiplies of all the elements of any column of any row or column to corresponding elements of any other row or column. Means if k is a non-zero scalar and the k multiple of the elements of Ri or Ci are to be added to the elements of Rj or Cj, then transformation symbolically denoted by Rj implies Rj plus Kri or Cj implies Cj plus Kci. For example, if A is equal to matrix of first element of first row -1 4 and element of second row 2 5 and k is equal to 2, then R1 implies R1 plus 2 R2 gives A equivalent to matrix first row 3 14 and second row 2 5. This means first row change in multiply second row multiplied by each element multiplied by 2 and add first row means 2 into 2 4 4 plus 3 4 4 minus 1 3 and 5 into 2 10 10 10 plus 4 14 means change first row 3 14 and same second row 2 5. In exercise first example, solve in exercise first example. A is equal to matrix first row element of first row 1 minus 1 3, element of second row 2 1 0 and element of third row 3 3 1 3 R3 and then C3 plus 2 C2 means first this example in matrices applied first 3 R3 म्हणजे third row multiple by 3 and then second application applied by C3 plus 2 C2 means second column multiple by 2 and added third column. First applied by 3R3. Matrix is A is equal to first row 1 minus 1 3 2 1 0 3 third row 3 3 1. R3 implies 3R3 gives third row multiple by 3. Matrix is A equivalent to first row same 1 minus 1 3, second row same 2 1 0 and third row multiple by 3. 3 into 3 9, 3 into 3 9 and 1 into 3 3, third row 9 9 3. Same as then next application applied by C3 plus 2 C2 gives C3 implies C3 plus 2 C2 means C3 third column is change. Third column change means A equivalent to first column is same 1 2 9, second column is same -1 1 9 and third column is written as second column multiple by 2 means -1 multiple by 2 -2 and add C3 म्हणजे 3 plus 2 into -1. Second element 0 plus 2 into 1 and third element 3 plus 2 into 9 means third column change in 1 to 21 means new matrix is A equivalent to first column 1 to 9, second column -1 1 9 and third column 1 to 21. This is answer. Second example, solve in second example. Use